What's going on, guys? Today we are back working on the pickup. So, Mudbogs is next weekend, next Friday. You're seeing this, the week before or the Friday of, either way. So I got a few things to do. I've got to replace my gas tank so that I actually know how much fuel I have. Finally, I've got a brand new fuel level sending unit. Also, we're replacing the front driver's side wheel bearing and passenger side wheel seal, so I'm going to take the knuckles apart, so on and so forth, and get all that done. But yeah, let's get to it. Holy cow.
That's not working.
You're not wrong.
That's not working.
You're not wrong. So as you can tell by all the, not grease, but oily grease here, the axle seal, which is back here, went on this thing a little while ago, so we're fixing that now. We got the new part. Alright, so here's why we're replacing the bearings on this side. Check this out. That does not sound good. Alright, that's it. As you can see, the truck is rolling again. We got the brand new wheel bearings. We did the axle seal, the gas tank. I know how much gas I have. It's incredible. And yeah, we're all good and set to go for Mudbogs next weekend. I'll see you there. Peace. Ladder to get into